Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Cassandra Goode reporting to you live here from my home office here in Albany, Georgia. And here I am with another one of my tips, or a couple of my tips on actually how I'm finding success with the MIF funnel. Now, a lot of you all have been coming to me saying, Cassandra, how are you doing this? I'm using the capture pages. I'm using everything that they're telling me to do. My upline is telling me to do this. My upline is telling me to do that. And I don't seem to be able to go ahead and do the three things that you require for me to find success. And what I've been saying to my team, ladies and gentlemen, is three things that actually, once they do it, they're finding success with the MIF, which is Mac Mills Sales Funnel. We've been rocking this thing for several months now, finding success, and there is a successful blueprint that we're using. So, number one, I've been telling my people, no matter what, you gotta send traffic. I don't care how you send traffic, whatever is comfortable for you, but I will tell you, go with your most strongest traffic that you actually show your face on a daily basis. Doesn't make sense to use another traffic method that somebody else is using, especially if you're not keen on it. But if it's something you love, whether it's Twitter, whether it's LinkedIn, whether it doesn't even matter. But if it's something that you're on every single day, you have a passion about, you're connecting with people and embracing other people, then that's where you need to be to actually show that traffic. Number two, you want to definitely make sure that that traffic that you are using, that you are keen on, is converting. If it's not converting, guess what? Ladies and gentlemen, I have to tell you, you're going to have to go ahead and change a little bit and develop another skill set, or at least horn in on your skills with another traffic method that will move you, that will give you the momentum that you need. And number three, ladies and gentlemen, a lot of people drop the ball on this and they always leaving money on the table, but you have to follow up. And I'm going to show you just a little bit of what I actually do every single day. Because you see, I do use the affiliate pages. I do use what is designed and created within the sales funnel, but I put a little twist to it so that I can still stay connected with my people and that the leads are just not going in the system, but they're actually those people that are actually interested in being part of MIF are actually engaging with me. I'm building a relationship, and guess what? We're winning because they decide to join and then they decide to come on in, and I show them exactly what I'm doing so they can win too. So let's dive in it. Now, number one, as you all know, when you go in here, you're going to have links. Now, if you're not a part of the MIF team, or excuse me, the MIF system or my team, I will tell you first and foremost, this is something that you should really, really take a look at. Okay, number one, as you all know, MIF itself is $49 a month. At $49 a month, you're able to incur $20 just for sharing it with someone. Now, just sharing it with someone, I'm telling you, that's an extra 20 bucks for you. Or should I say 18 bucks? Because there is a $2 processing fee. But that adds up pretty darn quick. And I'm going to inject the income disclaimer here because those $18 that actually add up pretty quick is based on whether you have the ability to go ahead and follow a blueprint that I will share with you if you join my team, or if you just want to be consistent because some serious residual income is in place in this sales funnel altogether. Okay, so then going into the tracking links, I want to show you something. Each one of these links, excuse me, let me go back. Each one of these capture pages has a link that's going to be coded to you. So I'm just going to go down here, and I think we have altogether about 6 or 7 of them, 8 maybe. But as far as being able to actually promote the system, we're looking at what's that? 2, 4, 5. But these two at the bottom, these are, I'm testing these in a good way too. There's a longer point to it, but they are converting. And what it is Mac himself is showing you how you can create 6 figures within the next 6 months if you follow that blueprint step by step by step. And that is allowing you to give a brand new list, especially if you're new in the affiliate marketing arena and you have nothing to share with this new list that you're honing in, and you don't want to go straight into the sell. You want to at least give them something of value. And these two funnels right here, where the free books are offered from Mac Mills himself from the MIF, allows you to be able to do that. So you're warming up your new people and you're giving them something of value, which then turns into what? Showing them the MIF sales funnel. And guess what? That's coded to you as well. So let's go up here. I want to show you exactly what I mean on how I'm doing this and how I'm able to go ahead and convert into my own, creating my own email list and not with it just within the team. So how I'm able to do that, and if you can see in here, I'm going to go to traffic. And I'm sorry, I didn't mean to say traffic. I'm going to go to leads. That's it. So as you can see here, you can see the different places that I'm actually getting traffic from. Okay. So TA, as everybody knows, is traffic authority. And a lot of people say, hey, that's kind of expensive. That's out of my league or whatever. But let me tell you this, ladies and gentlemen, if you are not bringing traffic, if you're not bringing traffic to your pages, I don't care how you do it. You need to be doing it every single day like clockwork. Okay. As you can see on mine, and I'm going to go back to that. I go back here. Oh, there we go. Okay. So as you can see on mine, traffic is coming in every single day. Every single day. Now, this is not the only traffic that I receive, but this is the one that I actually use our links within the funnel itself. But what I did, ladies and gentlemen, so that I can follow up with these people personally myself, I created a get response capture page system myself. So when I go over to get response, guess what? I take these leads and I can go right on over and they're already embedded in there and I can say, hey, how you doing, Rebecca, James, Maria, Rosemary, James, Tamitha? I can say to them, warm them up and invite them even further into how I will help them find success with the MIF sales funnel itself by Mr. Mac Mills. That in itself is how I'm doing that. That in itself is how I'm doing that. And when you actually do that, you would want to actually track this. And this is how this looks. So I'm going to show you exactly how that looks. Let's see right here. I created my own funnel so that when these people come in, they're actually going into my get response list first, and then I can follow up with them personally. Other than that, when they come in here, you should take each and every one of these. You can take each and every one of these and go right into your Gmail. I encourage everybody to have gmail.com right now as an email provider so that you can contact these leads. Personally, this is what I'm doing. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, that is my tidbit for you to let you know, Cassandra, how are you following up with your lead? What are you doing exactly? How is it that you guys are able to rock it? Now, I'm going to tell you something. I'm probably going to get bit in the butt. I don't care, but I want to see your success. A lot of people are not sharing this unless you actually purchase their software or you purchase their coaching or whatever the case may be. But I know you can find success in MIF, and I give more in depth with my team when people join me, and that's only no more than fair because you'll have more time to build with that person. Why? Because that person invested in you to show them how to be successful with the MIF sales funnel. Okay, so guys, I hope you understand that just a little bit. Hope you love the video. Again, giving you a little bit of a tidbit. Definitely click the link below this video so you too can be a part of my team. I'd love to have you, give you the blueprint that we're actually using to find massive success on the team. Income disclaimer injected here, the massive success is because you're doing the three things every single day to find success in using the system and creating the residual income that they deserve. Whatever, I will tell you this, if you love the video, like, comment, share. If by all means, you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that you'll know when I upload another video giving you a tip or opportunity that will be golden just for you. Thank you and bye for now.